you people don't repeat mistakes. I don't want to hear corruption in parliament. I don't want to hear corruption in parliament. Because if there is corruption in parliament, how will you control the other people? Because you say you are oversight. If you, the oversight, are also sick, who will oversight you? It will kill Uganda. This is suicide. It had become a practice in parliament. Those committee people, they were in some committees. Then they will tell public servants who are bringing their budgets to be passed by those committees of yours. So if you don't pay, we shall not pass your budget. And the committees had to pay. But there was some patriotic person who said, I can't agree to this. That person came and reported. And we captured them red-handed, these young people. So I don't want to hear that again in Parliament. Do we agree, people? Do we agree? And I don't want to hear that people who are looking for offices are giving bribes. If we hear that, you will be disqualified from any office.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.